day. So as you can tell, we're still in our robes.
I woke up at 9:30 to the couple telling us that we can't leave.
The storm that passed by overnight was a bit more drastic than we thought.
Because there were like 90-kilometer-hour winds.
The roads were closed, like absolutely closed. We couldn't even drive even if we wanted to.
I'm pretty sure I was the only one that wanted to drive through it. I don't know if anybody else did, but we couldn't anyways regardless because the roads were all shut down.
So we decided to stay another night.
There's a restaurant down the road. You can walk down, get some food.
We made I guess reservations at the restaurant for 11. Probably in reality a 3-minute walk that took us probably 25 minutes to make there.
Trekking about 100 meters to the restaurant, I looked a little something like this. James, gotta go to breakfast.
I'm already ready.
Wow! Dude, that just made it 30. Let's go.
I got my thermal underwear on. Got some real underwear on underneath that. And then my jeans. Provided snow pants.
Stop your bloodstream through your legs.
Oh no, these are sweatpants. I'm good. He has jeans on underneath the snow pants.
Yeah.
Is that bad?
Well, see how it goes.
The one part that isn't covered.
Marcus, what's this place called? Cafe Sumar M-A-R.
Pretty horrible, pretty scary stuff. Icy road, windy weather, definitely not something we could drive in.
Like we said earlier, it was like you just gotta like take the punches, you gotta roll with them, and you gotta make the best of every situation.
It was fun. I mean, it was definitely interesting and a little bit terrifying and painful in some ways.
It was like a slip and slide all the way there with deep snow and Dave falling a lot.
We were at Cafe Sumarlin. I just think if you say everything quick.
Cheers, boys, we're alive.
We made it.
I can't believe we did that.
Yeah, that was
That's
ridiculous.
crazy.
That was crazy.
That's
Definitely
absolutely
one of the craziest things I've ever done.
Like,
The Guabjargar. Did I get it?
It's gluten pizza.
Gudabeka.
Pizza.
Okay, cool.
You
I got that.
watch it.
No, I got that.
The bacon borgari.
Bacon burgare. Yes.
Bacon make way more sense.
You tried to overpronounce it there.
Great idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea, Josh. I'll give you arm.
As soon as we got back from the restaurant, the first thing on my mind was like, okay, we have to go sledding. Josh was thinking the exact same thing.
So we asked if we could borrow a sled or just anything really.
With the sled came along the little kid.
So they said, we have something that we could lend to you, but we have a guide. We have a guide who will take you.
Thankfully, we bonded with the local child of this village. He is the only one.
He loves us so much. He was a little fireball the whole day.
Herman?
Herman? See, I thought it was Herman.
Do we say it differently every time?
Everyone says it differently. I don't know.
The kid beat us outside. Oh yeah. I love it. Oh yeah. Jump on his back! Ah! Oh, God! Well, I didn't die.
Yeah, he's alive, don't worry. He's alive and well. And then we came back up, and we hung out for a little while longer. Kid taught us how to dab. You're watching like a headshot montage?
No, this is like
No, it's a
how to
remix.
dab video.
How to dab?
Yeah.
Our hosts once again spoiled us and offered to make dinner for us. My God, was that a meal. Definitely was the best meal we've had since we've been here. Nice, homemade, traditional Icelandic meal. It was a good day. You know, we thought we were gonna be a little down all day, but it really did end up being fun. Fun. Fun, 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 fun.
I got powder after. Oh!
So what's your name?
Herman.
Herman? Yeah, we found Herman. He's the wildlife in Iceland. It's crazy.
Puffins and Hermans.
Puffins and Hermans.